सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम साਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। मेरा नाम है विपिन पाल सिंह और स्वागत है आप सबका एक बार फिर से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे जिसका नाम है So today, my dear friends, I will be going to take you to Palam Vihar B block, where we will be going to check out the 4 BHK floor constructed on a 360 square yard plot. And friends, the property which we are going to visit today is a corner plot, east facing, and a 4th floor structure, of which 4th floor with roof rights are already sold, whereas 1st, 2nd, and 3rd floor of the property are still available for sale. Also, friends, all the floors in the property are loaded. By loading, here I mean that the builder is providing A.O. Smith geysers, Hitachi ACs, CAF chimney, and hob as a standard fitment. So my friends, what we are waiting for? Let's go and check out the layout of the property which I am talking about. Let's go. So friends, this is the property in Palam Vihar block B which I came to share with you, and this is just adjacent to Palam Vyapar Kendra, this being the Palam Vihar's biggest shopping complex. And this is the property which we came to visit, of which 3 floors, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd are available for sale, whereas the 4th floor with roof rights is already sold. So now my dear friends, let's go inside and check out the layout of the property. Let's go. So this being the main entrance, and this is the stair floor of the property. Over here, builder has promised to give 2 car parking space to each flat owner, and as you can see, there is plenty of space available on this stair floor, and it is very neat and tidy. And friends, on this tail floor, these separate individual water tanks are provided of 3500 liter capacity and is provided with Crompton motors which is fitted inside. It is a waterproof motor which has been provided over here of 1 HP. And from here, now let's move upward and explore the layout of the first floor of the property. So let's go inside the lift lobby cum staircase area. So friends, this being the lift lobby cum staircase area of the property, and these are the stairs which are going to the basement. I will show you the basement also, but before moving to the basement, let me show you that the elevator installed over here is of Schindler make. And now friends, before exploring the layout of the first floor, let's check out the basement provided in this property. Let's go. So let's go inside and check out the basement also. Over here on this basement, this kitchen is also provided. As you can see, although it is locked right now, the door is locked, so I can't go inside, but let me show you. This small kitchen setup is provided over here with a room, and this is the whole basement. And now friends, from here let's go upstairs and explore the layout of the first floor. And over here friends, while climbing the stairs, one thing which I have observed, that here in this staircase these vents are provided, which certainly keep this staircase area ventilated, and this is really nice. So now let's climb upstairs and explore the first floor of the property. So friends, this being the main entrance to the floor, as you can see, it is a 8 feet tall wooden door provided over here at the main entrance. It is basically a flush door which is provided with waterproof Recon wood veneer on both sides. And before moving inside and starting exploration of the layout of the floor, let me turn on the light from this circuit breaker point over here. As you can see, the Hager circuit breakers are provided. Let me turn these on. And now let's move inside and start the exploration of each and individual corner of this floor. Let's go. And friends, over here, before starting exploration of each and individual corner on this floor, let me tell you that the type of flooring provided on this floor is Sofia beige Italian marble. And now friends, starting the exploration of this floor, let me tell you that this being the main entrance to the floor, and currently I am standing at the lobby area of this floor, and towards my left is this bedroom, and this being the drawing room. So let's first explore the drawing room of this floor. So friends, this being the drawing room of the floor provided with this Sofia beige Italian marble flooring, and this is the false ceiling design provided in this drawing room area. And friends, along with A.O. Smith geysers, Hitachi ACs, CAF chimney and hob, these Orient fans are also provided as a standard fitment by the builder. And in this drawing room area, these two white glass opening provided on the two sides is connecting us very nicely with the outside greenery while being in this drawing room area. And besides this, it is acting as a source which brings natural light inside this drawing room area. And over here, along with this glasswork, this openable panel is provided, which is coupled with this wire mesh panel, which besides ensuring natural air to come inside this room, also protects basically the indoors from mosquitoes entrance. So let me open this for you, let me show you. So this being the panel which you can open to allow the natural air to come inside this drawing room area. So these being the two white glass openings provided in this drawing room area, and adjacent to this door is provided which is leading us to the front side balcony. Before exploring any other part of this floor, let's explore the front side balcony. So friends, this is the front side balcony of the floor provided with this tile flooring. As you can see, very nice tile flooring provided over here, and it is pretty decent in size as you can see, and is provided with this SS304 railing which is coupled with this toughened glass protection. And this front side balcony, besides being accessed from this drawing room area, can also be accessed from one of the bedroom of this floor. So this is the front side balcony, and this is the outer view from the front side balcony. That being the Palam Vyapar Kendra, which I have told you. So from this front side balcony, let's move back into this drawing room area, and crossing this drawing room area will bring us to this lobby area of the floor. So friends, this is the lobby area of the floor, and is provided with this Sofia beige Italian marble flooring which we have already discussed, and this is the false ceiling design provided in this lobby area. And friends, in this lobby area towards my left is the main entrance to the floor, and towards my right, this door is the common washroom. Let's explore this also. So friends, this being the common washroom, and this is the same Sofia beige Italian marble flooring provided over here, and this is the look and feel of this common washroom provided with this white mirror and checker fittings. So this being the common washroom, and moving out of this will bring us back to this lobby area, and moving forward in this lobby area towards my left is the dining space provided. So friends, this is the dining space of the floor. As you can see, it is also provided with the same Sofia beige Italian marble flooring, and this is the highlighted wall in this dining space area, and this is the design of false ceiling provided. And moving inside, again Orient fan is provided over here, and this is a window opening provided in this dining space area, ensuring natural air to come inside this room also. So this being the dining space of the floor, and opposite to it is the kitchen of this floor. So moving ahead, crossing this lobby area will bring us to this kitchen of this floor. So friends, in this kitchen, this Sofia beige Italian marble flooring is provided, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this kitchen. This is a modular design kitchen, and in this kitchen, CAF chimney, hob, A.O. Smith geyser, Havells exhaust fan and Orient fan is provided as a standard fitment from the builder. And here in this kitchen, this nano white marble slab is provided, and this is the woodwork provided in this kitchen. So while being in this kitchen, let's explore the space provided behind these panels provided in this kitchen area. So starting from this being the pantry section provided over here, let me open this for you and let me show you the amount of space, the volume it is having, the capacity it is having to store your kitchen commodities. Plenty of space in this. Now closing this and moving further, these are the spaces provided over here. The panel provided with hydraulic hinges, as you can see, CAF chimney and hob, as you can see. Moving further, some more space is provided. Okay, again a panel provided with hydraulic hinges. Further moving, some more space provided over here. A.O. Smith instant geyser, and these racks are provided, this being the dishwashing area. So these racks are stainless steel racks are provided over here. Some more space. So this being the space which is provided above the slab in this kitchen area, as you can see. And now is the time to explore the woodwork which is provided beneath the slab. So before exploring, let me tell you that all the pullouts provided over here are stainless steel modular of Ozone make. So let's begin the exploration of the woodwork provided beneath the slab from this point. So starting from this, I will not be going to open each and individual drawer. Let me show you, as I've told you, that each drawer is provided with this stainless steel work, modular stainless steel work, in fact I must say. And these are the kind of drawers provided. Very spacious and very smooth in operation, as you can see. Moving further, some more drawers are provided. There's space, proper utilization of corner space. Moving further, some more drawers are provided, this being the bin section provided over here. And further moving, some more space, some more pull-out drawers like this. Plenty of space in this kitchen to accommodate almost all size of your grocery. So friends, with this I have completed the kitchen of this floor, and now moving out of this kitchen, the only thing which is left to be explored on this floor are the bedrooms. So friends, let's start the exploration of the bedrooms from this bedroom. So let's enter this bedroom. Friends, again in this, as you can see that the flooring provided over here is of Sofia beige Italian marble, and this is the false ceiling design provided in this bedroom. And this being the Orient fan provided as a standard treatment by the builder in this bedroom. And again over here, this white glass opening along with the openable panel is provided, which is ensuring natural light along with natural air to come inside this room. Adjacent to that is the door which is leading us to the backside balcony, which we will explore later. But before that, let's explore the wardrobe provided in this bedroom. So friends, as you can see here, this ceiling height wardrobe is provided. And now let's explore the space provided behind these panels. So this being the wardrobe provided in this room, wardrobe space basically provided in this room, provided with these two internal drawers and one external drawer, and towards this side this rack section is provided. And this being the wardrobe provided in this room, closing this. And adjacent to these wardrobes is this attached washroom to this bedroom. Let's explore this also. Moving inside, this is the attached washroom. The flooring being similar to what we have experienced in the common washroom on this floor, and it is provided with a separate wet area, as you can see, all Jacquard fittings and space to keep your toiletries. So this being the washroom attached to this bedroom. And now moving out of this will bring us to the bedroom which we have just explored. And now, as I've told you that this door from this bedroom is leading to the backside balcony, so let's explore the backside balcony first. Moving out, unlocking the door, this is the backside balcony of the floor. Friends, this is the backside balcony of the floor, and this is the type of tile flooring provided in this backside balcony. And over here in this backside balcony, these are the geysers which are mounted externally attached to the bedroom's washroom. So this backside balcony, besides being accessed from this bedroom which we have just explored, can also be accessed from the second bedroom, which is this. And this is the outer view from this backside balcony. So this being the backside balcony, that being the bedroom which we have just explored, and now we are going to explore this bedroom. So entering the second bedroom of this floor from this backside balcony. So friends, this is the second bedroom of the floor, and this is the door from where we have entered into the second bedroom after exploring the backside balcony. So this being the second bedroom of the floor, as you can see, adjacent to that door is provided this white glass opening along with the openable panel, ensuring natural light and natural air to come inside this room. And towards this side is this TV console of this bedroom provided, and opposite to this is this Hitachi split air conditioner provided, along with this Orient fan, which is provided as a standard fitment by the builder. Let me tell you that again the flooring over here is of Sofia beige Italian marble, and this is the false ceiling design provided in this second bedroom of the floor. So this being the second bedroom, moving ahead over here, these wardrobes are provided. So this being the wardrobe provided in the second bedroom, as you can see the ceiling height wardrobe, and over here towards my left is this rack section provided. And let's explore again the space provided behind these panels. So this is the space which is provided in the wardrobes provided in this second bedroom. And now closing these panels towards my right is the attached washroom to this second bedroom. So let's explore this also. The type of flooring provided is similar to what we have experienced in all the other washrooms. And again over here this separate wet area is provided, check wall fittings, space to keep your toiletries, and an external mounted A.O. Smith geyser is provided. So with this, friends, I have completed the second bedroom also. Moving out of this second bedroom, let me take you to the third bedroom of the floor. So crossing this lobby area, opposite to main entrance are these two doors provided, that being the common washroom and this being the third bedroom of the floor. So let's explore this also. So friends, this being the third bedroom of the floor, provided with this Sofia beige Italian marble flooring, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this room. As you can see, really nice and elegant. Moving inside, over here in this third bedroom, that Hitachi window AC along with this Orient fan is provided as a standard fitment by the builder. And also over here this white glass opening provided with the openable panel, again ensuring natural air and natural light to come inside the room. Opposite to this glass work provided over here in this room are the wardrobes provided. So this again being the ceiling height wardrobe provided in this bedroom also. Let's explore the space provided behind these panels. So this being the space which is provided, the design of the wardrobes being similar to what we have experienced in the other two rooms. The only difference over here is this additional panel provided. So this being the wardrobe provided over here in this room, and turning my camera to the left is this attached washroom provided. So let's explore this also. Moving inside, this being the attached washroom, here the geyser provided is internally mounted and all jacquard fittings is provided, and over here the space is provided to keep your toiletries. So this being the attached washroom to the third bedroom, and now moving out of it will take us to the third bedroom. Closing all these panels, and moving out of this third bedroom will take us to the fourth bedroom of the floor. So this being the main entrance, and towards this side, towards my left, is the fourth bedroom of the floor. So now let's explore the fourth bedroom of the floor. So friends, this is the fourth bedroom of the floor, and it is provided with this Sofia beige Italian marble flooring, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this bedroom. As you can see, it is really nice again, and it is provided with this Hitachi split AC along with Orient fan as a standard fitment provided by the builder, and this being the glass opening provided with an openable panel. And adjacent to this is this door provided, which is leading us to this front side balcony, which we have already explored, and this being the TV console provided in this bedroom. And opposite to the entrance to this fourth bedroom of the floor are the wardrobes provided. And friends, over here also, as you can see, these ceiling height wardrobes are provided. And now let's explore the space provided behind these panels. Now here, as you are seeing, the design of the wardrobe provided over here is similar to what we have experienced in the first two bedrooms, provided with the two internal and one external drawer. So this being the wardrobe space provided in the fourth bedroom. Closing these panels, adjacent to it is this attached washroom provided with the fourth bedroom. So let's explore this also. It is also provided with this internally mounted AO Smith geyser, separate wet area, Jaguar fittings, and space to keep your toiletries. So the type of flooring provided in each and every washroom on this floor is similar. So this being the attached washroom to the fourth bedroom of the floor, and now moving out of this washroom and moving out of this fourth bedroom of the floor. Let me tell you that with this I have shared each and every corner of this floor with all you guys, and with this I hope you like the layout of this floor, and if yes, please don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And if any of you are interested in purchasing any of these floors, please contact me immediately, and the number of mine is flashing on the screen. And friends, now is the time to discuss the prices of these all floors. Let me tell you that the first floor, basically the upper ground floor of this property, is available at a price of 1 crore 90 lakhs, whereas the second and the third floor is available at a price of 1 crore 85 lakhs, which is very much appropriate for a 4 BHK loaded floor in Palam Vihar Block B. And with this, I Bipin Pal Singh signing off for today with a promise to meet you again with altogether a new video and a new property option. Till then, take care of yourself, your family, and stay in good health. Goodbye guys.